Hello and welcome once again. In this next video, I'm going to show you how to make withdrawals from your e-wallet into your bank account. You've earned some commission and you want to take it out from your TGR account and transfer to your bank. So here's how you do it. The first step is if there are funds in your current commission balance, the first thing you want to do is move the funds in your current commission balance into your current wallet balance. Then from your current wallet balance, you can now transfer to your bank account. The only money you have access to withdraw or to use is what you have in your current wallet balance. Okay, so let's do the transfer from your current commission to your current wallet balance. Here's what you do: go to the commissions tab under your menu. You can see commission here under your menu. Click on commission under menu, and then we'll now move the funds, the 58 naira that is in the current commission total. Here's how to do it: scroll to the gear section and click on the drop down icon to do withdraw. So we want to move this 58 naira 60 kobo into the current account balance. So type 58 naira, okay, and click on send. You can see your current commission has reduced to 60 kobo. That means the 15 naira has been added to. So now let's go and check our wallet. Go to wallet under the menu, click on the wallet tab. You now have a total of 2070 naira. The 58 naira has been added to it. So now we can now withdraw this amount into our bank account. The same process, go to the gear section, click on the drop down and do withdraw. Withdraw here now means it's going straight into your bank account. You can transfer to another member on TGR, or you can load this wallet with some extra cash. But what we want to do now is to withdraw it into our bank. So click on withdraw, and then it shows the email address that is attached to this account. Then you choose your bank account. Is it a savings account or current account? Remember, at the point of registering, you already supplied your bank details. So you click on, if it's a savings account, pick savings account. If it's a current account, pick current account. And then the amount you want to withdraw. Let's say I want to take out 1,000 naira. 1,000 naira from the 2,000 naira balance that is in the account. Then you click on send. Wait for it to process. Transaction successful. So the amount has been deducted, and the charges from providers has also been deducted. Always have it at the back of your mind that providers will take a charge, and then you must have at least 500 naira minimum balance left in your account to make this transaction successful. Thank you very much. I'll see you in the next video.